Welcome back to 45D Weather. It's Nick here. Today is the Thursday, the 15th of December. I was up late last night and so I took this shot of the weather because I was looking to see what was going on because it was really clear outside. It was beautiful. It was easy temperatures and nice and clear, but we got some cloud coming in the morning. Still a beautiful day. I ran this time lapse of basically as long as the GoPro would last, so you could see how it ran through the day, but very, very nice. Much warmer, 13, 14 degrees, up to 16 at one point when I measured it. Looking at predict wind, there was this northwest flow as we talked about, and that just calmed down and then it gradually turned to a southeast. I've been waiting to the end of the day because the southeast is coming up a bit heavier and we can feel the wind here now, but the sea state all day was pretty calm. So that's just the way it was, but no rain came through at any stage and it was a nice day. So that's our weather for today. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoy the time lapse. We will see you tomorrow.